So, hi friends, I'm just preparing prawn or shrimp biryani. So, my shrimps are here. So, I've got, you can see, I'll share with you. I've got the rice washed, soaked, and kept, yeah. And I've got my onions chopped and green chili, garlic. I've also got ginger paste. So, I've got stuffy like here. So, I've got ginger and tamarind and lime. See, ginger, tamarind, and lime. And I've got some of this. The rice water. So I've put some coconut juice. We don't like to put coconut juice. You can put yogurt. Yeah, and I've got some dry masala. And this is my masala. Here is a dry masala. Is like coriander, jeera. You can put biryani masala and pepper powder. Yeah, whatever like your chaat masala and some curry pata. So this is just a tadka, and that's my tadka here. Yeah, so I'm sharing with you. And coriander, and I've got some broccoli. You can put anything, whatever veggies you like. Yeah, I'll come back. I'm just preparing the onions and the dishes for the biryani, for the chatka masala. I'll share it with you. So now friends, I've put in the tomato. See, I fried the onions, I put in the tomato. So I wanted this to fry. Yeah? Just fry till the oil comes out. Yeah, then I've got to put in I've got veggies as well. So the veggies, and lastly I'll put the rice. Yeah, and I've got my masala. I'm not yet put it. So it has to fry properly. So I just cut the broccoli. Yeah, you can put any veggies that you like. Yeah. Then I'm just sharing with you. So after I put in fry the masala and all, so I'm frying in the rice. See how nice the biryani is looking. Yeah, so I'm frying in the rice now. A lot of flavor is coming, aroma in the kitchen of biryani. Yeah. So you can use yogurt or you can use coconut milk. Huh? I'm using coconut milk. So basically we are from Goa, so we use a lot of coconut milk. Yeah, you can use yogurt and mix that yogurt afterwards. Yeah, just sharing with you. No later. Just sharing with you how it's looking. So I put all the vegetables inside, the veggies. See, for the biryani. Yeah, so I will come share with you later. Now, so I'm gonna put all the ingredients. See, and I put in the water. So I'll wait for it to boil and I'll close the cooker and I'll just give it 2 whistles. Or I keep for 15 minutes, yeah? Just sharing with you, now I'm going to boil. So, see I close the cooker. So I put everything inside, all the spices and the potato and all that stuff. So now let the steam come and I'll make it slow. Yeah, slow fire. For 15 minutes, yeah? More later, friends. Just sharing with you. I got the coriander which I'll put afterwards. I cut it and kept. So I'll do that later on. Yeah? Friends, I'm just frying some shrimps here. Just frying some shrimps. So this is getting ready now. My biryani is here in the cooker. And I'm frying some shrimps. I'll share with you. So friends, just sharing with you. See the fried prawns have come so nice. See? I'm frying. Come so well. See? Just sharing with you. And just very cooking. Very good. And my biryani has just come down very well, the prawn biryani. I'll share it like this, keep it on slow fire, no? I'll share it with you. I'm just sharing with you, my shrimps are come out so nice, see? And crispy. And now I've got the oil, which I fried the shrimps. I'll put it in the biryani, yeah? With some coriander. I'll just share it with you. I'm just sharing with you, see my biryani has come out so nice. See? Okay? So now if you know it's cooked, the potato just check. Potato is cooked, yeah. So I'll give it some 5 minutes more. So I don't steam it, I'll just close it, this thing with the vent open on slow fire. Yeah? See? The biryani is come. Yeah? So do try my recipe and let me know. I did in the cooker. See? More later, friends. Thank you. See, the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. See, after cooking, I clean the kitchen. Okay. Yeah. Clean the kitchen and everything. Yeah. So always clean up. So you feel good if the kitchen is clean. I just washed was the last thing is to wash. Mushrooms also are ready. I put it on the biryani. And that's all done. Yeah? More later. So the biryani is ready. See? See, I want to share with you. It's all ready. Yeah? And now the fried prawns also are there. So I'm going to serve. Yeah? So friends, I've just served the food here. See? So it's got, see here, how nice. Yeah? Sharing with you. More later. Do try and let me know. Bye friends. Take care.